Hello guys, today I'll be showing my cicd lab 2 project uh, that is deploying a Windows server in a public subnet and accessing from a local machine. So now let's go on. Just a second, let's go on. Okay, so now okay. First thing we'll do is log into our AWS. After logging into our AWS, yep. So now we are at the dashboard. We will click on our VPC service. So let's go ahead and click on VPC. Just a second. Yeah. So we'll go to our VPC services first of all. So as you can see here, we are on a VPC dashboard. So from here, we will go to your VPCs. After going to your VPCs, we'll create our own VPC. Let's name it my VPC 114. Let me just yeah, 1 minute. Yep, thank you. Okay, so the IP4 we'll use for this VPC will be 10.0.0.0/16. After that tenancy, we don't care about tenancy. Let's go ahead and create a VPC. Okay, so as you can see, our VPC has been created. Now let's go to our subnets and let's create our subnet. So you can see already see our VPC is there that we created earlier. Select that. Now let's name our subnet. We'll name it my subnet -114. And IP4 cicdr. Okay, let's take Asia Pacific Mumbai and IP4 point. Yeah, okay, there you go. /24. After we have done all this, let's go ahead and create a subnet. So second, let me just check. Okay, we'll go ahead and create a subnet. After we have done creating a subnet, we'll go to routes tables. So route table is okay. So look, let's first go to internet gateways. After going to we'll create our own internet gateway. We will name our gateway as, let's see, my gateway 114. Then we'll create a gateway and yeah. So now we attach to our VPC. There we go. Okay, now we'll go to route tables. And what we will do is we'll create our own route table. Let's name this we'll call this public for now, and also T-114. Now let's connect our VPC that we created early on. So yeah, this second one VPC. Yep, and let's create route table. So after creation of route table, we will go to edit routes. So let's go to edit routes, and now we will add route. So now we search. Yep, okay, that's and we'll add an internet gateway that we created earlier, and we save the changes. So let's go and save changes. Okay, that's done. Now we'll go to subnet associations and we'll edit subnet associations. So okay, and we'll choose our subnet, of course, that we created. We'll save it. Okay, after that's done, we will go back to our subnets. You can see that subnet is now active and available. We'll click on the subnet. Now what we are looking here is for information subnet. Let's go to subnet again. Let's go down. Okay, it's second we will go to our yeah, okay, let's go to our subnet. And now what we want is, yeah, edit subnet settings. So we'll auto assign IP settings, enable auto, and okay, let's go ahead and save it. Okay, that's done. Now we'll search for another service that is called EC2 service, and let's go to our EC2 service. We'll go to instances. So this is pretty basic. We'll go to create instances. We'll create a new instance, and since it's a Windows machine, we'll my Windows server, and let's go and create a Windows Microsoft, because that's what the question asks for us to do. Now so everything looks fine here. Okay, that's fine. Instance type, yep, that's also correct. Now we need to create a new key pair, which is RSA. Let's name it as my win key. We'll create that and we'll download it into our laptop. So now that we have downloaded, let's check all these settings. Okay, so everything is fine. We'll edit this, just a second. We'll edit this and we'll choose our VPC that we created earlier on, and a subnet that we also created earlier on, and everything else looks fine. Let's security group name, let's just name it my win, and one security group roles. Everything here looks fine. Yeah, source type, of course we'll choose my IP, and type looks fine. Let's go ahead and yep, let's go ahead and launch our instance. So we'll wait for it to launch. Yeah, so it's been launched. We'll go back to EC2 and instances, and you can see our instance has been launched. Yeah, here we go, my Windows, and let's refresh it again. We'll wait for it. Yeah, 3 out of 3 checks passed. Okay, let's go to that and we'll copy this IPv4 address and we'll save it somewhere. Let's go in Telegram. I'll save it in my save messages. There we go. And also the second thing we need from here is, I'm guessing it's, let's go to dashboard, instances. Okay, so what we need here is private IP4 address. No, second. Okay, let's connect. Yeah, get password. We'll have to get a password for this, so let's upload a private key that we created earlier on. That is my key, and then open it, and then we'll be able to encrypt password. So we'll copy that password. There's a second thing that we need, which is very important. We'll save it in a Telegram. There we go. And after that, okay, so now that step is done. We have the IP4 as well as the password. We'll copy the username administrator, and now okay, yeah, let's go back to instances. So okay, so all that's being done is, everything is done in AWS. Let's go to a remote desktop. Now We'll use the IP4 address that we saved here. Let's copy it, and now we'll paste it in this remote control desktop and we'll connect. So let's just copy it. Yeah, let's go here and put it and connect. So it will connect, and now it will ask me a username. That was our administrator that we had copied early on. Let's write administrator. Password is what we had encrypted, so let's copy this and we'll put the password in, and okay. Now when we press yes, it should open a virtual window. Yeah, so we log in as an administrator. It's taking some time to load. It's loading now. Let's see. It's taking some time to load, unfortunately, and there we go. So now with the help of that, we have made a virtual machine using our VPC and IP4 and the password. So that's it. Thank you.